How to build a free sales page with Google Sites and templates. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can build your own free sales page with Google Sites, and you can create a template as well. So let's get started with the process. So what you have to do is just simply come to Google, and then you will go to this Google apps, these dots that you see. Simply click on that and go to Google Drive. In Google Drive, we will be able to find the option for Google Sites, and on Google Sites we will create our website. On your Google Drive you will see the option of new. Click on that, and then from here you will click on more. When you click on more, you will see Google Sites right here. When you click on Google Sites, it will take you to sites.google.com. Now if you do not want to come from your drive, which is the easiest way, but you can just simply go to Google and type for sites.google.com, and you will land on this app from Google. It is completely free. It is powered by google.com. You don't need to sign up or buy any plan for this one. You just simply come from your Google Drive, but of course you will need a Google account, which everybody has mostly. So you will be able to avail this option of creating your website on Google. So we are going to be creating our sales page with Google Sites. So let me show you around real quick that what are the different options that we are getting when we are going to edit our page. So this is the first thing that we get. You can see right here, when I click on a blog, you will see the option different, for example, reset option, header type, and change the image option. And then I also get this delete option from where I can delete a blog. So right now there are no blogs added to this page. There I can add a footer and different blogs from here. You will see insert option. In insert I will find button, dividers, placeholders, YouTube calendars, map, documents, slides, sheets, forms, charts, and layouts, of course, text box, images, and drive as well. And then there is the option of pages, where I will be able to add different pages, of course more than one page if I want to create for my website. And then we have the themes, from where I can change the theme for my page. So let's start creating our sales page. So the important thing is to name your page whatever your sales page is. So I am going to name my page the social guide for now. Let's just say that this is my product. This is going to be the title for my sales page. You can see right here, when I added the text, you will see the option of fonts right here. I can change the font from here. If I want to go with this one, I can just select this one. Then the font size, of course, now it is 64. Let's decrease it to 60 maybe. And first, let me just select it real quick, and then I will be able to do everything. There you go, and we will click on 60. Now it is turned to 60. I can make it bold if I want to, of course, and we can change the font. Let's go with impact that I selected. Okay, this looks good. So this is going to be the title. You will add the title that you want to add. So once you have added the title, now it's time to change the image. Now I can change the image from upload, and when I do that, I will be able to select any image from my laptop. There you go. This is going to be the image. Looks good. Then I can enter the site name, and it is going to be sales page. There you go. Then I can add the logo from here. I can go for a brand logo. I can upload, or I can select. I will simply click on select. When I click on select, I will be able to select from different files that I have uploaded on Google Drive, or the photos, or Google Images. So if you have already added the different logos to your drive, you will be able to gain them from here. Or you can go for URL, and you can add a paste URL of image, and you can add your logo. But the simple way is you can actually upload from your computer. Simply click on upload, and when you do that, you will be able to upload the logo for your site. So let's go with this one. This is very random, but let's just go with this one. Okay, it is not supported, so I will just select any of the other. Let's go with any of the logo. Let's go with Mr. Robot if it is uploaded. Okay, so as a logo, I have Mr. Robot for some reason. Just very randomly, you will simply add your logo right here. So you can add the alt text right here, which is going to be good for your SEO. So once you have uploaded everything, you will simply, cross it from here, and you can see right here that this is the logo, and this is the name, which is called the sales page. Perfect. Now I am going to be adding a text. Of course, I will simply click on text box and it will be added right here. Now if I want to add an image, I can click on image and I will simply click on upload and I will be able to upload an image. So this is going to be my image and I can just, place it wherever I want to. And I want it to be here. Then in the text box, I will simply add different text. So I have added this text box and you can see I actually did not write anything and I just, created these dotted lines so you can get an idea. This is where your text will come. And then you can simply add as many images as you want to. While creating a sales page, you will be adding, image right here anywhere you want to, and you can add as many photos as you like. You simply upload them or you can add them by URL. So you will add the images right here. Then if I want to add any other thing, for example, let's add a divider and I will simply click on divider and it will be added right here. Now if I want to add something, let's go with a button and the button will say click here and I will insert a link. There you go, and insert. So I have added a button as well. Now I can move it wherever I want to. I will just place it in the middle. Now if I want to change the color for the button, I can just simply go to colors and styles and I can do that. If I want to add an image behind this box, I can do that as well. And again, if you want to add another page, you will add from here and then we can simply go to themes, and right now it has a blue theme. I can actually go for a pink one and you will see my website will have this pink theme, or I can go with this one. Okay, this looks pretty good. It goes with the view. So I am just showing you around different features. My sales page actually does not look good at all, but I am just showing you around different features that you can actually add. So you can add from here as well if you want to go with a customized font. So you can add from here if you want to go for a customized theme. So once you have added all of the information, you will simply add the footer as well for your sales page. Make sure to create one page because we're not creating a website. We will not go for 2 pages. You simply go for one page and add all of the information. So once you have added all of the information, simply go to settings, and when you go to settings, you can go to, so now you have created your sales page. It's time to create this as a template. For example, if I had created a very good page, which I have not, unfortunately, but let's just say this is the template that I want to create and I want other people to use it or for myself. So I will simply go to this 3 dots which say more and click on make a copy. When you click on make a copy, you actually copy the site, you copy this and you add it to your drive, or you can share the link to other people. So what happens is your copy of sales page will be created and then people will be able to, or I will be able to open it up in the Google Drive. And when you will open it up in your Google Drive, you will be able to customize it the way you want to. And that is how we create templates on Google Sites. You can create a template of your sales page on Google Sites this way. So once your website is created, of course, your sales page, you will simply click on publish and it will be published on Google Sites. You can go for customized hosting website as well, or simply go for your Google Drive. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create your sales page template with Google Sites. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.